In today's video, I'll show you how to fix face shine in Photoshop in just a minute. Let's get started. First, go to the Layers panel and create a duplicate picture by dragging it to the new layer icon. After that, go to the Channels panel. Here, you will see the RGB channels separated. Select the blue channel so only it is visible. Then, drag it to the new channel icon to create a copy of it. Now, press Ctrl L on the keyboard to open up the Levels dialog box. Here, increase the black levels to create a darker shade until only the shiny areas remain visible in white. Once you are satisfied, click the Load Channel as Selection option to make the selection. Now go back to the RGB channel and after that return to the Layers panel and create a new empty layer. Choose the foreground color by picking a skin tone close to the selected area. And once selected, press the Alt button and the backspace on your keyboard to fill it up. Then press Ctrl D to deselect everything. Now go back to the blend mode options and choose multiply. Next, add a black layer mask by holding the Alt key and clicking the layer mask icon in the layers panel. After that, select the brush tool, set the foreground color to white, and then gently paint over the shiny skin areas to create a soft and natural look. And here, you can clearly see the difference before and after. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.